Hello, my name is Richard Poss. I'm an associate professor in the astronomy department at the University of Arizona. This fall it will be my pleasure to lead a seminar entitled Mysterious Moments from the History of Astronomy. Now, the history of astronomy is a vast ocean of experiment and discovery, so our approach will be to pick some of the pearls from that sea and examine them in some detail. We'll be looking at some of the earliest astronomers of humankind, that is, the basic solar astronomy of indigenous cultures around the globe. We'll be looking at Stonehenge and Avebury and West Kennett Long Barrow, the Anasazi of Chaco Canyon, and we'll be looking at various periods and various figures. People like Copernicus and Kepler and Galileo, not only did they learn new things about the world, but they changed the way in which we fit into the larger cosmological context. And so in each case, we'll try to walk around each of these discoveries and talk about what they mean to us as human beings. My academic background is in the humanities, so it's only natural that we'll be studying these moments in their historical and cultural and artistic context. I grew up in a small town in the country, and when I was in the third grade, my parents decided I should get a job, and they gave me a paper route. So I would get up at 4 in the morning and ride all over this small town delivering newspapers in the dark. This allowed me to watch the stars and to get to know the night sky, and I became an amateur astronomer. I bought a telescope and binoculars, and I would chart Jupiter's moons night after night, just like Galileo did, and I tried to find all of the nebula in the Messier catalog. When I first came to Arizona in 1988, there were no planets known around other stars. The first planets were difficult discoveries. There were a lot of false positives, but now the number of exoplanets is in the hundreds, and there are thousands in the Kepler pipeline waiting to be verified. And so this really changes what it means to be a human being in this universe. We know that there are hundreds of billions of galaxies, and that all of them have hundreds of billions of stars, and that those have billions of planets. And so the very nature of what it is to exist in this universe is changing almost by the week with these new discoveries. So I hope you can join us here in the fall of 2012 for Mysterious Moments from the History of Astronomy. We'll be doing it here at the Poetry Center, and I hope to see you there.